Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we will be analyzing email marketing dataset. In this particular project, we are going to focus on the target audience that are more likely to subscribe to our email newsletter based upon the dataset. Um, we got some objectives for this project. People these eight objectives. That means we need to create 8 visualizations or 8 graph search charts. I have already done this project. Here is my previously done project. Now I am going to reveal this project and for the tutorial purpose. Okay, so let's get started. First, import our dataset to Power BI desktop and transform this table. Now here we will do data cleaning part. We will make sure that there is no redundant and inconsistent data, right? So our task in this part is to remove all inconsistency and redundancy of the data. Okay, let's do that. So column 1 seems uh, this column is useless for our visualization purpose, and state is important. Postal code is also unnecessary. Birth date unnecessary, and that's all. Remove those columns. And the major inconsistency is null, so we must not work with null values, so we should get rid of these values. So here I'm going to remove null values, and here we can see that type column. In type column, all of the values are same individuals, so I don't think this is important for this project. So remove this column. Now status is okay, city uh, city is okay, looks fine. State, yeah, state, here we can see that all letter is capital, so we just need to capital each letter of word. So what we're gonna do is format this column, capitalize each word. Okay, and also same goes for gender code. Format, capitalize each word. And now here gender code is not a good column name, so we change it to gender. Okay, okay, here marital status, uh, we will rename this M, and marital status, M means married and U means unmarried, right? So here, so we should replace M to married. For this we go to transform tab and replace values, M value, to find M and replace with married. Okay, and replace values U with unmarried. Okay, now okay, okay, now enrolled. We need to split this column into two parts. One is year and other one is time. Okay, let's do this. Split this column by delimiter. Our delimiter will be space here, and leftmost delimiter, press OK. Now Okay, let's rename this column time and rename this column. Further we have to further split this column to get the years. So split this column by delimiter and rightmost delimiter by forward slash and click OK. Right. Okay. Now this is our year column, and let's get rid of this column and roll on 1.1. Okay. Now living status. Mm, okay. Living status seems fine. Couple with children, couple without children, live single or living alone. Okay. Time, year, married status, unmarried, and active status, city. Okay. Okay. Seems fine. Hmm. Now rename this table to email marketing. Okay. Right. Now close and apply these setting changes. Okay, so we need to make a visualizations or dashboard like this, right? I have done before, and this is our objectives. We need to satisfy these 8 objective, right? Okay. Okay, let's do this. First objective is our people signed up by gender. Okay, that means let's choose a okay donut chart for this purpose. Here gender, and gender we drag gender to values, right? So we have to filter out like others. Okay, now not mentioned, because we don't want to see the gender that are not mentioned by the user. Okay. Okay, now format this visualization. Data labels on. Okay, and slices. First of all, I will change the color as per my choices. Male, and for female I will choose like, yeah, this is fine. Okay, and for others. Okay, and data labels inside. Yeah, nice. And data value percentage. Okay. Okay, I keep them as default, no problem. And I go to general to give a title, suitable title for these visualizations, and which will be people signed up by gender. Okay, people signed up, signed up by gender, by gender, people signed up by gender. Okay. Hmm. Good. Mhm. Now, yeah, now next task is active user status. Okay, so for this purpose, uh, let me choose a bar chart status, and here x-axis to count of status, right? And Okay, active 27. Now get into the format tab and changes the y-axis title to activity. Okay, okay. Mm, I'm gonna change the bar colors uh, to dark blue, right? Okay, and I want to show data labels. Sorry. Mm, I will set this position to insert end or no. Okay, default is perfect. Okay, so give it a suitable title. Active users by status. Active users status. Okay, then third task is people signed up by marital status. People signed up by marital status. Marital status. Okay, okay. People signed up by marital status. Let's give it a title. Uh, People signed up by marital status and change y-axis name to like people signed up. Okay, our fourth objective is people signed up by living status. Okay, every in this project, okay, every visualization the process is almost the same. Like people signed up by living status, we for this purpose we take uh, donut chart and then living status drag to legend and to values. Okay, now change its color to similar blue or dark blue and to this to select this and yeah, right. uh, right, this is looking good. Okay, so we'll give it a title like people signed up by living status. Okay, let's see how are we going to our like our previous project. uh, yeah, people signed up by living status, and yeah, we are going well. Okay, fine. Okay, our next objective is people signed up by state. People signed up by state. Let's take another donut chart for this purpose and choose state. Now we don't want to show all state. Okay, we just want to top n, select top n, top like top, let's say top 5 state, and by count of state apply filters. Okay, yeah, now changes format it and changes the color of slices like to blue, and yeah. Okay, for donut chart we set the details level inside. Okay, and for our visualization purpose we set the legend to top center. Legend to top center. Okay, every legend to top center. Okay, now, okay, now it's fine. Let's give it a title. People signed up by state. Okay, our next objective is people signed up by city. Okay, for this purpose let's choose a column chart. No, uh, this is clustered column, we want just stacked column chart, and then select city and drag it to both axes, and again filter top 5 cities. Let's filter top 5 cities among them. Top 5, top 5, and by city count of cities. Okay, okay, okay. Now uh, give it a title on y-axis, that is people signed up, and the title of this chart is people signed up by city. Okay, then our next objective is people signed up by year. People signed up by year. uh, Before proceeding further, let's format this column chart and bar charts, like give it a data level. Yeah, and then turn on the background and give it a black. Transparency is 0, and position, let give it a position to inside center or inside end, right, inside end. Okay, then no, it is not applicable for this city Thane, so we should we need to move the position in another. So let's do that, inside and not outside end. Yeah, and uh, values, go to values and white, right, it's looking good. Okay, awesome. uh, yeah, it's good. Now this bar chart, turn on the data level and its background, then transparency reduced to 0. Yeah, and then the value colors will be white and bold. Okay, same as for active user status, color will be white and display color, sorry, background color will be black and transparency to 0 and bold. Okay, okay, now proceed further. We have done till now 1 2 3 4 5 6, or 6 visualizations, and our seventh visualization is going to be people signed up by the year. Okay, for this visualization purpose, we'll select waterfall and give it a year column and y-axis to create. Generally we use waterfall visualizations when there is we want to show the increasing or decreasing data, right? When there is a relationship of increasing or decreasing value. So in this case, waterfall is a suitable choice. Okay, is a good choice. Then let's format this. First of all, we enable the data labels. uh, Wait, we don't need the sum, we want to count the years, right? Count of years. Okay, count of years. Then format. Okay, background, turn on the background and transparency to 0 and values to white, and the position will be outside end, right? Mm, okay, Then our columns, the colors. Nice. Okay. Now the y-axis title, give it a title of people signed up. People signed up. People as signed up. Okay. People signed up. And the title of this visualization will be people signed up. People signed up by year. Okay, people signed up by year. Okay. I think our last visualization is going to be people signed up by time. Okay, for this last visualization, I will be using column chart, and let's drag time to x-axis and same as to y-axis. Okay. Mm, okay. Format this, change its y-axis title and give it a title to, and named people signed up. People signed up. Okay, done. Then the whole title or the column title will be people signed up by time. From these people signed up by time, from this visualization we can assume that or predict that most of the people at 12 p.m. Signed up in a newsletter. Okay, we can get this information from these visualizations. The time, which time is more efficient, will be more productive for the for any company or any individuals for to send their update to the customers. Okay, now let's take a look our previous dashboard. Okay, we have done waterfall, column chart, and this bar chart. Okay, okay. Now we'll be creating cards. Okay, first of all, arrange them in a good order, in a good manner, then we'll proceed further. Okay. Okay, I think for this donut chart, our legend at position top, uh, at position center right will be a good fit, I think. Okay. 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 Looks fine till now. So we may proceed further. Okay. Okay. Let's add cards. First, we'll show the active users, then people from a specific city, and then enrollment from married individuals or the subscribers genders. Okay, is he male or female, or married or unmarried? Okay, let's first of all status. uh, we want to see only the active users, and okay, active users, active users. Okay, active users. Then we can see that most of the subscribers, email subscriber, their marital status is they are married, right? So this is important data, count of marital status and enrollments from married individuals. This title will be enrollment of married individuals. Enrollment of enrollment from married individuals. Okay, bold, not bold, increase its size to 19. Okay, okay. Then the users from a specific city, uh, or state, right? Let's say we want to show mm, the number of users or the number of subscribers comes from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so change its statistics to count, and name it people from Andhra Andhra Pradesh. Okay, title people from Andhra Pradesh. Increase its the font size to 19. Okay, okay, it looks fine. Awesome. Now insert a shape. Uh, insert a shape, not not this one. I want to insert mm, this one. No, not this one. This one. Shapes. Okay, rounded rectangle. Place it here. Okay, and go to style. Then select it. Select suitable color. Okay, I will select this or this. Okay, our text will be email marketing analysis, and size will be 19, font size, and change font type to okay. If we want, we can also add two more cards to show the gender, uh, like like this. Okay, like the count of male, the count of male, and the count of female, right? Male users. We can set this title to male users, and mm, male users and female users. Gender, female users, count. Mm, this is not uh, sitting here perfectly, so what to do? Okay, nothing to do, just place it here. Yeah, like this. Yeah, okay. Like this. I think we should place it, and these two there and there, or yeah, it's fitting here, right? This is good. Okay, change its label to female users. Female users. Oh, awesome, awesome. Now it looks great. This is our final dashboard. So thank you guys